In this video, let's take a look at adding a manual style table to a drawing. In a previous video, we added this automatic table, and we just said insert a table, use the auto style. I'm going to delete this table, and let's reinsert the table again, and insert or add one or two of these labels down here manually to the table. So I'm going to choose Insert, Table, Line Table, and Traverse PC is going to display the dialog box for the table I want to insert, and I'm going to choose Manual. Let's put a header and a border on that. So here's my manual table, and all I have in it is the column heading for line, bearing, and horizontal distance. So now I can come down and add whatever objects I want to that table. I'm going to tell Traverse PC that I want to put this stacked label right here. This didn't quite fit on the line because the line was too short. So I'm going to right-click that label. I'm going to look for the Append to Table command. And Traverse PC is going to add that to the table, and it's going to give it the next item number available in that table. So since this is the first item we're adding, we get an L1 for that. I'm going to go down to the next label, right-click, choose Append to Legend, or Append to Table, and now I get an L2. So I've got L1, L2 where the labels used to be, and up in the table I've got L1, L2. So I'm determining the order in which these labels are added to the table by the order in which I'm clicking them. I'm going to show you another way to do this now. Let's go ahead and delete this table. I simply could come down and right-click one of these and say Append to Table. Now I don't have a table yet in the drawing, so when I issue this command, Traverse PC is going to say the table does not exist. Would you like to create it? So let's go ahead and say yes, I want to create it. Traverse PC is going to bring up that same table dialog. It knows now that the table has to be a manual table because I right-clicked an object to add it to it. So I'm going to put on the header, draw the border, click OK, and I have my table now with one table item. And I can continue to add items to it then just the way I did earlier by choosing Append to Table and adding items to that table.